about money, I tell people you can practice playing what I call the money game. It's a very simple thing. I say start using little amounts. See how it works. Because it works. It's a principle. It's a principle. You can multiply your money. Very, very simple principle. It's a spiritual money game. God says, give and it shall be given unto you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over shall men give into your bosom. Simple. So I take the money, I give. It might be small, but I can watch this little amount of money multiply. You see it? Now, with that understanding, I can make someone who is poor grow financially until he's rich. You see it? It's a simple thing. Learn it. Listen, God's word is for us to do. It's for practice. You do it.